Hi everyone. Okay, so you've already watched the YouTube video from another teacher somewhere else, and she does a great job of taking you through a straightforward process to organize your Google Drive. I just wanted to hop on here and add to it because OFS is a pretty unique model, and so there might be a few suggestions that you can take into consideration when you're doing your own. So to start off, here's my drive. You can see I have a lot of folders. You can see I had already done what she mentioned, which is the ones I use the most. I labeled 1, 2, and 3 before their name so that I could keep them on top. Okay. Under courses and forecasting, here's my folder for our class, High School Success Course. And under executive, so I have all these subfolders, which I'll actually show you over here. You can see it a little bit more easily. So here are all my folders. If you go under courses and forecasting, you can see here's High School Success Course. And here are all these folders. So you can see it's like folder within a folder within a folder. Okay, so right now we're in this folder, executive. Actually, we're not. We're in this folder, organization. We're about to be. Sorry, here we are. So there's only a couple things in there. And you can see that this folder needs to get tidied up because there's a lot of loose documents. So I need to work on that one. All right, so within this one, organizing, I have this document, Organizing Google Drive for OFS. Here are just a couple of thoughts. Number one, you're going to do just like she said in her video, make a folder for each course you are taking. One thought would be to color code the course folders based on the type of course. So she talked about color coding them based on like just something that would be memorable to you. But you might consider you might have 2 folders that are blue because those are both like, okay, those are the classes that I'm taking from an OFS teacher directly, whether in person or like our class online. You might have another color for any online classes you're taking, like through Acellus or Edgenuity. You might have a different color folder for classes that are credit by hours, portfolio, proficiency exams. So what that means is you could have like 2 or 3 that are blue, 1 that is purple, and 1 that's green. That's just one idea. If you have all OFS teacher taught courses, then that's probably not going to work for you. You're going to need to add in some other colors. So that's just one idea. More importantly, within the course folder, consider subfolders for the type of assignment. So you might have a folder that is EOPs. Every EOP assignment goes in there. Another folder that is for time logs. That would only apply if you're taking a credit by hours course. And then all other assignments. That's one idea. Another idea is like she was demonstrating with an English class. You might have, shorter writing assignments, longer writing assignments. You might have a folder that is for a particular novel you study as a class, and all of the assignments for that novel go into that folder. For math, you might have Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, but really think about what kind of folders will be most helpful to you in the course folder. And then at the end of the year, move all of your folders into a past years folder, just so that when you start the next year, you don't have all this clutter to go through. Okay, now on Canvas, I wanted to highlight what you actually need to make sure you do, because you have a lot of choices of how you organize and customize your Google Drive. What I want to see is the main page of your drive. So that means when you first go on and you just are in My Drive, so that I can see your folders, your main first level of folders. The idea is that I can, I'm hoping to see that you have no more than 5 loose files. Okay? All right. Folders labeled in a way that makes sense. And then within your folders, title your assignments the assignment name plus your name. So Week 10 EOP, Amanda McDermott, that was mine. Or To Kill a Mockingbird essay, Amanda McDermott. Or Unit 4 Algebra Problems, Amanda McDermott. Okay? So you're going to show me that I see the main folders, and then you're going to show me inside those folders. So whether you do a screencast like this, that might be easiest, but if you're like, I don't really know how to do that, you could take a screenshot of this screen, the main folders, and then go and you yours is not going to be as complicated as mine. You'll probably have between 4 and 6 folders, one for each course. And then what you would do is you would open up each folder to show me. So that I can see, okay, look, I have 4 folders within there and just one loose document, and that's fine. Okay, let me know if you have questions. I hope that this makes sense. All right, good luck.